So hey guys, this is Gadget Comparison official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to compare Samsung latest launched soundbars, which are Samsung S50A, S60A and S61A. And in this video we are going to compare their specs, price, sound quality, pros and cons, everything basically which determine your buying factors about these soundbars. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And to make your comparison more easy about these soundbars, I also wrote an article which link you can find in the below of this video in the description. And in this article I explained every detail and aspect in so deep and in so conclusive way, so you can easily understand which one is really most valuable for your money and for your buying factor. And if you come to this article in the below, you can see the that I also added a side by side comparison about these three sound bars. So in this comparison table even separately I separately put the every section like overview, general, audio features, subwoofers, streaming services, connectivity options which you are going to get in this soundbars, controls, and everything that determines your buying factor. So without wasting, let's go to this soundbar. So every soundbar you are seeing, you are watching here, you can find on Amazon, which you know that the massive e-commerce site where you can find almost everything. And in this site we also find amazing soundbars, and on those amazing soundbars Samsung's brand is the most having advantages, because in the affordable prices you are getting most amazing aspects, most amazing specs and the features. So let's get started with the Samsung S50A and what you are getting on the most low range S50A. So as you can see, this is the most cheaper variant here, S50A, and in this soundbar you are getting Dolby Digital 5.0, 5.1, and basically this soundbar is 3 built-in channel soundbar, but it is compatible with 5.1 if you are decided to connect with other Samsung soundbars or subwoofers. And in this soundbar you are also getting DTS Virtual X. As you know, it is the component that delivers surround 3D sound. So as you know what this work for, and in this soundbar you are also getting a 3D center speaker which is equipped with DTS Virtual X. And if we go down the all specs here, you can see there's the here weight. So basically this is the most simple soundbar in this series, in this S series. Okay? In this S series. So let's compare the other two. I decided to start with S50A because this is the most basic features you are getting with the at least affordable and starting range. But in the medium range and the higher range, as you can see here the prices, this is the deciding the range of the buying price factor. And X60 I found the most useful and most amazing here. So let me let me show you all the aspects here. Let's start with audio features. As for sound quality, Samsung S60A and S61A are best options among the all three, as they come with wide range, 7 powerful speakers, inbuilt deep bass and 5.0 channel Dolby Digital audio support for surround sound. Samsung S60A soundbar is an Amazon exclusive product because you cannot buy it anywhere except Amazon affiliate site. That's why it's Amazon exclusive. And the most important thing you need to know if you are interested in buying these soundbars, both soundbars Samsung S60 and S61A have same features and same specs. The only difference you are going to see is the minor ones that I am going to illustrate sooner in this video. So as you can see here the minor changes, but the pricing here you can see the varies a lot. As you can see the S60A 277 $0.99 start from, and the S61 starts from $327. That's the I think not accurate concept, because in this price you are only getting some minor things, like in the S61 you are getting the most important thing here is TTS virtual X that you are not getting in S60A. Okay, and the S61 is not even mentioned on Amazon official website, because like I said, it is Amazon exclusive. That's why you cannot find on the other sites except Amazon. So here I also decided winner. As I told you, if you want more affordable and without paying extra $1,000, because sometimes extra $100, because sometimes the prices difference is got to $100, and in Samsung S60 you are getting almost all the same features and prices. That's why I am saying Samsung S60 soundbar is winner in audio features. If I talk about connectivity, in Samsung S50A there is only two connectivity options that you are going to get as wired connections: HDMI ARC and HDMI output. And like I said, wireless connection you are getting only Bluetooth. As for Samsung S60 and S61A, connectivity options almost same. Like I said, both models are same, just a few things separate them each other. Like for wireless connection there is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and for wired connection there is HDMI port like ARC and HDMI input and output, and optical digital port for wired connection options. So here also win I think Samsung S60, because in more affordable pricing you are getting almost X61 connecting options. Control in these three Samsung soundbars you are getting a remote, but in Samsung S60 and S61 you are getting a universal type remote that you can use to control your TV and other devices as well as your soundbar from straight to a single remote. That's why I am saying these universal remotes are amazing. And there's also a special feature that I talked about earlier, that is their center speaker. In all these three soundbars you are getting a center channel speaker. Let me show you what these center speaker channels do. And if I scroll here, there's an image that illustrates the all picture perfectly. Let me scroll a little bit. Okay, yes, here. Okay, that image is not here. Let me refresh the page. So page is refreshing, please wait a minute. Okay, I don't know where the that image gone. So let me show you from here. Okay, this image is the perfectly for showing what I am trying to say. Here, as you can see here is a center speaker that delivers audio or sound from the center speaker along with the side and upper speakers, and it gives a extreme sound experience that you can not find with another other soundbar that those don't have center speakers. That's the power of center speaker. It's the surround sound heart. It's the surround sound heart for the every soundbar that you are going to get. So let me go get to this comparison, and as you can see here in this table I differentiated the every aspect of these three soundbars, and the link for this article you can find in the video below description. Okay, so I strongly suggest you to read this article. I hope you get the soundbar which is best for you, and if you don't, I must tell you again, Samsung S61 is the best in this comparison, because in this S60a you are getting almost all same specs and price that you are getting in Samsung S61a in more affordable pricing. So with this, let's end this video. I hope you loved the video. If you like it, then hit the like button and make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And in future I am also going to compare other devices that is more useful to daily life of like people, you and me. So without getting any more things in the way, let's end this video. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.